Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back.
Avionville faces a massive output gap. Let's calculate the impact of government spending and investment to find the answer quickly.
First, we need the spending multiplier. Since the marginal propensity to consume is 0.8, we calculate 1 divided by 1 minus 0.8, which gives us exactly 5. Next, we find the total change in autonomous spending. The government added 300 million and investment rose by 100 million, so the total increase is $400 million. Multiply 400 million by our multiplier of 5 for a $2,000 million increase. Total output reaches 3,600 million. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Watch signs, trust given values, and check your steps carefully.